Ready to unlock the secrets to acing your first job hunt? Stick around because what you are about to learn could be the game changer you have been waiting for. Your first job, the adventure begins. Welcome to adulting. Guess what? Your first job isn't just a job, it's your grand entrance into the real world. Nervous, excited? You should be because this is where your journey really begins. Skills to pay the bills. You have got skills, now it's time to show them off. Let's dive in and turn your talents into a paycheck. Embrace the journey. No experience, no problem. Worried that you don't have a ton of experience? Don't sweat it. Even the best started from the bottom. Competition? Bring it on. Yes, the competition is fierce, but so are you. Let's turn that competition into your motivation. Feeling overwhelmed? You have got this. If the job search feels like a mess, I am here to guide you through it, step by step. Number 1. Self-assessment. Before you dive into the job hunt, let's uncover what makes you a rockstar. Because trust me, you have got some serious superpower. What makes you awesome? Skill check. Think of your skills as your secret weapons. What do you bring to the table that makes you stand out? Hidden talent? What hobbies? Those could be your hidden gems. Let's reveal how they make you even more awesome. Room for growth? Nobody is perfect, but that's the fun part. Let's pinpoint where you can level up and become even more unstoppable. Number 2. Crafting a resume and cover letter that get noticed. Your resume and cover letter are your first impression. Let's make sure they are unforgettable. Your resume, the highlight teller of your success. Each job is unique and so should be your resume. Let's tailor it to fit each role like a glove. Show off your skills. This is your moment to shine. Showcase the skills that makes you the perfect fit for the job. Numbers talks. Got achievements? Let's back them up with numbers that speak louder than words. Education and projects. Highlight your education and projects that scream, I am ready for this. Cover letter. Your personal story, make it personal. Don't be generic. Personalize your cover letter to show them you are genuinely interested in the job. Why this job? Because it's awesome. Explain why this role excites you and how it aligns with your career goals. Link your skills. Connect the dots between your experience and what the employer needs. Show them you are the perfect match. Close strong. End with a powerful statement that leaves them wanting more, like inviting you for an interview. Number 3. Networking. Making connections like a pro. They say it's all about who you know. So let's start making some powerful connections. Start with your inner circle. Alumni advantage. Your college alumni network is a gold mine. Tap into it and start making connections that count. Professors know people. Your professors aren't just teachers. They are your link to industry professional. Campus events. Career events are where opportunity happen. Don't miss out on making a lasting impression. LinkedIn, your next or you can say your new best friend. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital handshake. Let's make sure it's firm and unforgettable. Join the conversation, engage with industry leaders and companies, build relationships that count, lead to your dream job. Share your work, post your projects, achievements and thoughts. Show employers you are active and passionate about your field. Number 4. Job search strategy. Be smart, not stressed. Feeling overwhelmed by the job search? Let's work smarter, not harder, and get you noticed by the right people. Master the job portal. Sign up everywhere. Get yourself out there on every major job site. Let's widen that net and catch some big opportunity. Quality over quantity. It's not about how many applications you send. It's about sending the right ones. Polish your profile. Your online profile needs to reflect the best version of you. Let's make them shine. Company websites are your friends. Dream companies? Have a list of dream companies. Keep an eye on their websites for opening. They could be a ticket to success. Follow-up. A friendly follow-up can make you stand out. Let them know you are seriously interested. The power of referral. Ask around. Your network is powerful. Ask friends, family and connections. If they know of any openings, referral work. A referral is like a golden ticket. It carries more weight than a cold application. Number 5. Preparing for interviews without the jitters. The interview is your moment to shine. Let's make sure you are ready to dazzle them. Research, research and research. Company deep dive. Know the company like the back of your hand. Your knowledge will impress. Test drive the product. If you can, try out the product or services. It shows genuine interest. Culture of fit. Understanding the culture helps you nail the interview. Dress and behave accordingly. Stay updated. Practice makes perfect, right? Behavioral question. Practice makes perfect. Got comfortable with those tricky? Tell me about the time when questions. Role specific question. Review the job description and prepare for the role specific question. Confidence is key. Mock interview. Run through some mock interview with friend. It's like a rehearsal for the big show. Use the STAR method. Answer like a pro with the situation, task, action, result format. It shows you are organized and prepared. Dress for success. Outfit check. Your outfit should match the job and the company culture. First impression matter, even online. Number 6. Skill enhancement. The job market is always changing. Stay ahead by leveling up your skills. Online courses are your friend. Learn something new. Online courses are your chances to build new skills or sharpen the ones you already have. Certification matters. Certifications show employers you are serious about your career. They add credibility to your resume. Stay current, the market evolves, and so should you. Keep learning to stay ahead of the curve. Number 7. Internship and volunteer work. Experience matter. Experience is the name of the game. Let's find way to build it, even if it's unpaid. Gain some experience. Internship are your golden ticket. They offer invaluable experience and networking opportunities. Freelancing is a great way to build a portfolio and gain experience while you search for a full-time job. Volunteer. Volunteering not only gives you experience but also makes you feel great. It's a win-win. Number 8. Interview techniques. Seal the deal. You have made it this far. Now it's time to seal the deal and land that job. Before the interview, study time. Research the company, review the job description, and prepare smart questions. This is your time to shine. Mock interview. Practice with a friend. It will help you feel more confident and ready for the real thing. Get your outfit ready. Dress to impress. Your outfit should make you feel confident and ready to conquer. Stay calm. Feeling nervous? Take a deep breath and remember you have got this. During the interview, start strong. First impression matters, so nail the first handshake, even if it's virtual. Be yourself, show your personality, let them see the real you, because that's who they will be working with. Ask questions. Don't forget to ask insightful questions. And on a high note, close with a strong statement of your interest in the position. Leave them excited to hire you. After the interview, thank you note. Send a thank you note within 24 hours. This small gesture can make a big difference. Follow up if you didn't hear back. A polite follow up email can reaffirm your interest and keep you on the radar. Congrats, you are one step closer to landing that dream job. Remember, persistence is key. Every application brings you closer to success. If you found this guide helpful, don't keep it yourself. Like, comment, and share it with your friends who are also on the job search. And hey, if you want more tips and advice on navigating your career or want to learn about money, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Your dream job is just around the corner. Let's get that together.